welcome back to 12 Cafe Home Edition. Today we will be making a secret recipe. Well, not so secret anymore because I'm sharing it with you. Today we will be making my grandma's famous chocolate chip cookies. If you don't know what these cookies taste like, then you need to try this recipe because it is like, wow, like I have never tasted better chocolate chip cookies. If you can tell me a better recipe, I will be very surprised. Don't worry, I asked my grandma's permission because this is an original recipe. By the way, this recipe I am making for a lot of people, so you don't have to follow from the video. I'm gonna be posting a recipe for only 50 of the cookies compared to like 100. Even though 50 sounds like a lot of cookies, you will not regret making 50. 50 of my grandma's cookies in your kitchen will be gone, like, trust me. Anyways, so let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to measure out Crisco. Obviously it isn't like butter, you can't just cut it up or like know where it is based on the paper outside of it. So what my grandma taught me was you take a cup of water, I measured out 1/2 cup, and you're going to pour the Crisco in like so. And as you're pouring the Crisco in, you're going to push it down so that all the water is covering it. Keep filling it up until it reaches the 1/2 cup, because then
one half cup minus 1/2 cup. Wait, 1 and 1/2 cup minus 1/2 cup equals 1 cup. There we go.
So yeah, just keep filling and pushing down until the water line reaches 1/2. Okay, so now it has reached the 1/2 cup line with the water, and all the Crisco is pushed under the water. So what you do now is just dump out the water, and then you can spoon the Crisco into the mixing bowl. Today we're going to be using this, I still don't know the name of it, and we're going to cream the white sugar, brown sugar, butter, and Crisco. So when your butter and sugar are creamed, add the eggs and vanilla into the bowl. Next, we're going to combine our baking soda and our salt with the flour, and we're going to just mix it until it's kind of combined. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just make sure that I stir it in like that. And then you're just gonna spoon it into the cookie mixture. Lastly, we are going to add in the chocolate chips. And I think you can just pour it all in, because why not? So for the cookies, I like to use this, a squeeze handle disher cookie scooper. Anyways, so I like to use this just so that they're all equally sized cookies, but if you don't have one for this cookie dough, you can really just grab it or like spoon it out and then roll it with your hands, or just like spoon it out, put it on there. What I do with this to make sure that they're all even, so you can't just like scoop. I like to scoop some and then use the edge of the bowl to level it out so it's nice and flat, and then just release it onto the pan. So while you're scooping your cookies, don't forget to preheat your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you have scooped out like 3 pans, or as much as your oven can hold, my oven has 3 racks, so I've already done 3 cookie pans. So once they're all ready and your oven's ready at 375, you can bake them for 12 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown. Okay, so the cookies came out of the oven and this is what they look like, golden brown. I'll tell you a little secret. They taste the best when you eat them like right out of the oven. Like they're chewy and like the chocolate's all melty and hot. By the way, if you want them to cool faster, something I would recommend doing is taking them off the sheet and just placing them on the cooling rack. I know there will be a lot of crumbs underneath, but it just helps it all to cool without the heat coming out from the pan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you check out all the other ones that are in the 12 Café playlist. And I hope to see you guys next week.